Hi wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are asked to solve for the area of this square. Okay, this diagram is not drawn to scale, but that is a square. This is supposed to be a square. All right, first let us recall the formula for the area of a square. At least let's know what we want to do, right, or what we are about to do. Now, area of a square is equal to length squared. Okay, length squared. Now if we call if this is our length, this is L, that means this place is also L, this place is also L, and this place is also L. And the only information we are given is this length from here to here, which is 24 meters, and from here to here, which is 16 meters. Okay, how do we use this to get the value of our area? Now this place is 90 degrees, right? This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Now since this place is 90 degrees and this place is 90 degrees, it simply means that this line is parallel to this line. Now if this line and this line are parallel, that they cannot meet, then it simply means that this triangle here and this particular triangle are similar. Now what do we know about similar triangle? One thing about similar triangle is that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So let's draw the triangles out. Let's draw them out. So if we draw them out, or let me just draw it with free hand, just so that we can be fast. Okay, now this is the first triangle, this one, this. Now let's draw this second one. Okay, if we draw this second one, note this is not the this is not the middle point, okay, of this line and this line. Like I said, this is not drawn to scale, so this is not supposed to be the midpoint of this line and of this line. Okay, all right, so we draw the other one. All right, now they all have right angles, they are right angled. Now let's go back to this particular triangle. If from here to here is 16 meters, from here to here is 16 meters, and this place is L, right? It simply means that from here to here is 16 minus L, right? So let's write that 16 minus L. Also similarly, if from here to here is 24 meters and from here to here is L, it simply means that this remaining portion is 24 minus L. So we have 24 minus L. Now let's write it here. So when you come to this place is 24 minus L. This place is L, right? Then when you come to this one, this place is 16 minus L. And this place is L. This place, right? Now, since these two triangles are similar, we can write as when we want to take height and the breadth, okay, the height and the base. So we have height divided by the base, okay. Then this implies that since these two triangles are similar, we can say 16 minus L divided by the base, which is L, right, is going to be equal to the height of this one is L over 24 minus L, since they are similar. Now let us cross multiply. If we cross multiply, you have L multiplied by L is equal to 16 minus L multiplied by 24 minus L. All right, now L multiplied by L is L squared is equal to 16 minus L multiplied by 24 minus L is 16 multiplied by 24, then 16 multiplied by minus L, okay, that should give us minus 16 multiplied by L, right? Then minus L times 24 minus L times 24, and we have minus L times minus L minus L times minus L. Okay, now we have L squared is equal to 16 multiplied by 24, then minus L times L is minus 16 times L is minus 16L, and minus L times 24 is minus 24L, and minus L times minus L is plus L squared. Okay, Now, if this is the first time you are seeing this amazing channel, please click the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload our videos every day. Tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads. Give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Thank you very much. Now, let's continue. So, from here, we can say, let's shift this to this side. Okay, if we do that, we have 0 is equal to 16 multiplied by 24 minus 16L minus 24L plus L squared. Now this plus L squared will cross to become minus L squared. Okay, so we have 0 is equal to 16 multiplied by 24, then minus 16L minus 24L will give us minus 40L, then plus L squared minus L squared is 0. Now, let's transfer this to this side. Okay, if we transfer that, minus 40L becomes plus 40L. So we have 40L is equal to 16 multiplied by 24. Now, to get the value of L, let's divide both sides of this equation by 40. So we have this divided by 40 and this divided by 40. So 40 will divide itself to give us 1 times L will give us L. So we have L is equal to 4 divide 16 will give us 4. 4 divide 40 will give us 10. 2 divide 4 will give us 2. 2 divide 10 will give us 5. So we have 2 multiplied by 24 divided by 5. Okay, so our L is equal to 2 times 24 is 48 divided by 5. Okay, so our L is equal to 48 divided by 5 will give us 99, remainder 3, divides 30, we have 6. So our length is 9.6 meters. Okay, now let's go back to what we want to achieve. Remember that our area is length squared. Okay, so it simply means that the area is equal to 9.6 squared. Okay, so area is same thing as 9.6 multiplied by 9.6. Now we are going to ignore these two decimal points and then multiply 96 by 96, after which we now put the decimal point where it's supposed to be. So this should be 96 squared. Let's use a matrix for that. Okay, so 6 squared is 36, 9 squared is 81. Now 9 times 6 is 54 and 54 times 2 is 108. Okay, so we add. Now we bring down 6. 3 plus 8 is 11. Carry 1. We have 2. So it means that this is 9216. Now we have 2 decimal places here. So we count 1, 2, and that is where our decimal point should be. That means that the area is 92.16 square meters. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.